Box cover, this is Dutty Bear and welcome to a brand new social media countdown. Now let's get right into it. Number 10, Marni Woes. Center table. So as you might have heard by now, PrinceMarni, vlogger, social media personality, and his girlfriend Inhale Me have split. If you don't know who Inhale Me is, she is, you know, the girl at my Instagram, the one where they're winding up videos them where her waistline are moving and joining up. Basically, she, you know, she put out a series of posts on her IG story this week, which, you know, make it pretty clear, says she and PrinceMarni over. Things are es finito. I am no longer engaged. Don't ask me about my ring. I am done pretending. Everything was a motherfucking lie. Yes, you confessed to everything, even after my dumb ass thought it would work out. And shout out to all the hoes that know me and know about me, smiled in my face, attended my class, and still the f*** you. Boy, oh boy, me have to read what she put on her actual Instagram, because right about now, everybody in our friends list, everybody on Instagram, in the comments, and a dog out PrinceMarni.
Prince, for the last
I spent months beating myself up, thought I wasn't good enough, loved him enough to fix it, and you still had secrets. Hashtag business, that's it. No, I do not hardly know what she mean by this business, that's it. Because as you know right about now, she and PrinceMarni, I don't know if a PrinceMarni for call him, because I realized that him gone a spiritual route, him change him name on Instagram to King of a Chosen One and Almighty, and him start put up the little skin out Susan videos, them him a try do this, you know them late night infomercials, something they forgot, the Universal Church. They want to do some like a promo videos where I kind of have the like a feeling there.
That you may know.
And we will be selecting our first 10 chosen ones to receive their 15-inch MacBook Pro on Tuesday, August 28th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. All you have to do is tell us why.
Shortly after she posted that, PrinceMarni put up this video upon him Instagram in a totally unbothered mood.
I say yeah, yeah, whoa.
So this is why I tell people, say you have to kind of careful with them like a bunning and cheating skits the way you're doing now, because I kind of imitate life more than one time. Same so how Chris and Queen did that, and then Chris choose for do one cheating prank with Queen, and then low story come to bomb. Same thing did happen in his life. And so me personally feel say I did Inhale Me kill the character Susan. That's why I see him start put out the little Susan character. It is hard because she killed the character and she kind of look like she just kind of inhaled this character of Susan and decides to she start think and pray like Susan and figure out who is the actual PrinceMarni and where it up to.
pull up the name on WhatsApp and click the picture icon. Almost every side chick have a WhatsApp. Every have a WhatsApp these days, so I guarantee you're gonna find a picture on WhatsApp.
Hashtag Dutty Bear conspiracy theorist. Let me tell you, man, you have to pre the levels more while, you know.
As a mad woman, yes, we would have squared up on site. Boop boop.
So anyway, right about now, I just hope say, you know, them sort out things, because I really like to see them something here on social media. It's good for my countdown, but I really like to see them things up on social media. Anyhow, I'm going to... We actually have Inhale Me and PrinceMarni in studio. We're going to try to see if we can work out the issue. How did you find out about the infidelity, the cheating?
So, like, what did you do?
Everything.
Oh, Jesus, Pim, no man, D, you can't get violent like that. Well, what you have to say about this breakup burritos, comment down below, share your thoughts. Number 9, eye full. Me coconut aisle. So the other day, I book up this video with a particular woman on social media at one dance show off for our eyelash style. Pre.
Remember, a woman who's not talk to you. See, a woman who's not talk to you. You see them eyelash there now?
Yeah, for them now.
See, I mean, you can't blink to when it's in the water to put their eye.
The water catch up with my
So your eye good.
No man, this is called busy signal on the edge. No man, about 3 years worth of carnival costume my girl have on her eyelash alone.
Like about 6 or 7 for the eyelash. You buy a stick on for your eye.
You know, say a great lady once said, Pampute, that good pum pum need shelter. Well, I guess bright, yai, need awning.
hacer un poco de yo voy a stick up for you. You don't want to lose some girls.
The man are with me, sir.
Boy, oh boy, I just think that Jamaican dancehall people constantly keeping things creative. Let me know what you thought about this style burritos. Comments below. Number 8, bait thief. Me bulletproof. In a middle state of emergency, apparently this video surfaced in a Montego Bay with this brother where allegedly stole something from this Rasta man. The man ended up calling him, and this is what took place. Pray.
God. No kill him, brother.
See what me mean? You see what me mean?
Watch it, Rasta. Load them.
Oh my.
What's wrong with you, man?
God. Left him, Rasta.
30 man money.
Eh?
30 man, $20.
$20.
24.
$20.
24.
How much? Eh?
If him indeed did actually steal something from the gentleman, well, you know, I guess I them something you're more than likely to reach him. I don't know if I said, comment below, burritos. Somebody ever be able to catch them? Number 7, Don Dada lyrics. Me bring back. So, you know, say, at the moment, I actually have a favorite female rap artist. It isn't Nicki Minaj. It isn't Cardi B. It isn't, yeah, the mad one there. It is Stefflon Dan. We just love her sound. Well, anywho, I broke up this video on her Instagram recently with her spitting some bars, spitting some lyrics, and trust me, people, it's shell.
Yo, I would a gal in the G. It's me, and I know you see me. Supreme, no bitch, no the done, I ain't cheap. When I back it up, all you hear is beep beep. I got hella niggas pressed and they ain't. Yeah, I'm shipping records off the shelf. Yeah, I made $1 million, all I did was sign myself. Fix your face, why you mad? I can't believe this shit myself. Last year, I was in the hood, getting peanuts for bagging wood. But now, my neck jealous of my wrist jealous cause I spent a yard on my whip. My nigga jealous cause I'm liking other niggas pics. And I'm pissed my nigga banged his niggas shit. I cut the grass but I still couldn't see him. They switched it up, now they rock lubes and I feed them.
You see why I'm actually a rate artist? You see why I'm a rater? Comment below, tell me what is your favorite Stefflon dance song. And now check out the random video of the week.
What is the past tense of seek? The question passes. Abigail, would you like to try?
Hide.
Incorrect. Salt.
Number 6, river diving. Me tambourine. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of food and water. Me know the system might not proper, but na. So what a nice place for live.
3 fabulous flyers.
And somebody can tell me why Jamaica and the Olympics are participating in all of them type of water-related activities here. Me don't know. Synchronized swimming, we can do the diving thing and collect medal too. Me don't know. Number 5, Arnett drama. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. Me don't have nothing really, you know, funny for us about the story here. Because basically, me don't know what going in Jamaica where we just can't seem to protect and understand say special care need for the women and for children, especially, you know, in a certain volatile areas. So this 14-year-old girl by the name of Yatana Francis recently, you know, she got shot, you know, on Thursday evening. And the next thing you know, our family couldn't find her. And then the next thing happened, them go find the 14-year-old girl body in our open lot in a Ardent Gardens. Apparently she was raped, she was killed, she was chopped in her head, and then burnt.
Why, God, why? I'm still ask you why. But as me tell you now, my daughter revealed in front of me already that she gonna come back and she gonna tell me. My daughter gonna tell me the day when my daughter dead. I feel the pain that she feel. I feel the fire in front of burn me. For the Thursday night, my daughter burn. I feel the fire. I start sweat. I start sweat same time and I say, oh, me I sweat so. I not hot, me I sweat, me I feel the heat when the little girl I feel. And she appear in front of me same time. Yeah?
You know, when you put yourself in that girl position in her last moments of her life, and you try to wonder what could be happening. Why would somebody do this to a 14-year-old girl? There's so many things where you want to, you want to come up with situations and scenarios where you want to come up with, but none of them don't make no sense. Not one of them don't make no sense. The fact that there's nobody that can say them know what go on here. People come up on the news and say them they kind of hear a little scream here, a little scream there, but nobody that have no evidence. I think I'm not random. And I keep on saying these days they can't say you're a gunman or a bad man. A lot of things happening nowadays are boys who 12, 13, 14, 15-year-old themselves are commit a lot of crimes. And so, you know if a relationship thing, somebody violates somebody, you do not know, you don't know right about now the way Jamaica said. But all I never say is my condolences to the family. I can only pray. I don't know much more prayer I need for take, but let me know, Berritos, what were your thoughts when you heard about this story? And how best do you think, Jamaicans can come together to make sure so we stop things like this from happening again? Number 4, the Eat Mama, my cheese crunches. So if you don't know, Sean Paul is literally one of my favorite artists of all time. So when I saw this video with Sean Paul and Ching Ching with this, what would I say, this more mature, fun, but I forget it and watch. Free.
And I've been practicing my Jamaican speech.
Alright, we went a while ago. You're basically doing a new dance that he has.
Oh right,
Rock the World.
New dance.
So later we teach you that.
Yeah. And I've been practicing my rhythms.
Yeah.
I'm struggling with my rhythms.
It's a natural thing. You just have to feel them out, Feel them out.
And I've been doing the flossing in my
I tried to get the rhythms. Yeah, I tried to get the rhythms. May not even catch a dance good yet.
Hey yo, this is Sean Paul of Flossing and you don't know we're endorsing the Dirty Berry social media countdown. Keep it locked.
And now it is time for the big up segment. Woo! Well, first I forgot big up this video I say at the University of the West Indies, which at them say is the biggest dance group choreography in the country. And yeah, they did a dance to one big dang hit. Flary, free. Also, more if you check out this summer anthem song from Kellar Music, Pre, and check it out. Let me know what you think about it. The brother is a young youth from Jamaica College, and yeah, he's doing thing. Shell. And also, somebody sent me this video with a police YouTuber. Said it immediately caught my interest, and yeah, I want to share it with you. Free, check out him channel, follow him, feel free to subscribe.
Well, I some banana cheese a while ago, so they said they all over my mouth. Anyways, somebody if you get locked up, what them get locked up for? Like which part them, where you want to help them, but you don't know what to do? Forward.
Number 3, Dapper Dance. Me rubbing alcohol. No, me never normally say Dexter Dapper Dance. Check it out.
Just one. You don't know a long time I did this you want. Just
Hi, that woman in the background is a cheerleader like you me need in my life. Like somebody when me just get up and brush my teeth, somebody say, yeah, Barry, are you my vlogger? Because you brush your teeth more than every single body else on YouTube.
Tell some artists are the baddest thing. Baddest. See that? Boom Tick Record. A.K.A. Ronnie Riley. Dapper Road Record.
You know, like when they want to give you a new shoes and it has squeezed out the whole of your toe them, but you're willing to bear the pain because it's brand new and you don't want to give back? This is what this video represents.
Mash up the thing I'm not jealous of you. I mean, I know my woman feel cause you. One. Enough country,
man over one little girl. Man, that's the baddest thing I always tell on Facebook. Baddest thing, Dexter Daps.
Yeah, Dexter, kind of hang up with the dancing. Just Go back to the Shabba Pot. Yeah, Shabba Pot Dexter. And now check out the second random video of the week.
Hold them at your rocking. Hold them. Watch it. Me bum. Drop.
Number 2, Banana Travels. Meek. No, I don't know what wanted my social media countdown from what day, but appear banana videos just a reach on it. Me didn't have Maca Diamond. Then you know about Jada Kingdom and Fear Banana song. And now you have this brother where I come, from foreign with this big whole crocus bag filled with banana.
Yo, only my dad comes back from Jamaica. Daddy, why is the banana on the outside of your suitcase?
Oh, I got secondary check, so they just put it out, say, bring it out like that.
Honestly, I never really too know the maths when I travel that area often for really know where I come from. But I guess I'm from foreign. Wait, me get something wrong. I can't Jamaica him come to and I carry banana. So I must foreign him go meet him son and bring the banana them. And so, I may catch it wrong. Somebody let me know below ya, I'm glad night I'm a record, so my head can handle.
Ba 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 banana. Ba 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 banana. Oh, ba 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 banana.
And number 1 goes to Bling Badness. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my boxwood essay. Oh geez, some people, let me go add me biblioteca. So Vanessa Bling has been laying low recently, but since last month or so, she has surfaced with her new image on social media. People are compare her to Remy Ma. Me nah lie, she kinda look like a classier Remy Ma. She does, me nah lie. Vanessa Bling, Gaza Slim, is one beautiful young lady. Anybody who said this girl ugly is a zootopek. Them blind and don't have nothing near 20/20 vision. But hinted who? So but they kind of focus on like a prettiness and the fact that she look like a little Cinderella and all of these things. But Vanessa Bling put up a little post will make everybody in the world know that she still have the Gaza badness, the Gaza toughness in her heart. Pre the video.
Oh, drop it.
Come on.
Run it right now. Demarco. The sell out Jamaica.
Wow. Jesus. Whoa, I feel the spirit. Oh my gosh. Play one gospel song for me.
Have mercy on me, Lord.
Jesus, please have mercy upon Vanessa Bling right about now because Vanessa Bling officially fully bad. What could Demarco do you so Vanessa feel? Wow. But yes, so this whole thing did go on at the Red Bull Culture Clash where every year them have like, artists, go up against different sounds from different countries and one bag of excitement go on. So this year they have like Cranium and Massacre and Vanessa Bling on one team and Demarco was over one US-based sound system. I know somehow that never really sit too well with Vanessa Bling and so she did just have up Demarco for that. The singer wrote, "Man, you see them give dancehall a big fight, but you run gun on the other side where you talk about them so the clash start to end. You should have do it for the culture and feelings. Jamaica flag, hashtag wasteman, hashtag bad rough, hashtag bad in a real life." And the ranting continued. Only when on a career dead, on a one like on a love Jamaica flag. What the f*** do for Jamaica or for some ghetto youths? Or don't even make board house at Jamaica. Stop use Jamaica forget a hype. Without Jamaica name, nobody know want say oh no. Wow. Me still I try to catch up a wagwan, but me not lie, like, Vanessa Bling is definitely one person, want to get on our wrong side because no one, she fully bad. So then we go on the star page and she said them go ask Demarco about the whole drama and I guess this is how he responded. Me no know where it come from, but me not too care still. Me just do my thing. Me just there put in the work and I put in the work for my culture. You see it? Music is my culture. Wow. Uno pick up or me alone here one little kind of little two pinks of shade. The man say music is in culture, not Jamaica. So, me don't know if him actually confirm same kind of, sell out Jamaica. I do not know right. To be honest, that really defend Gaza Slim, Vanessa Bling. But, me kind of know say him not really follow up with the whole Jamaican thing from here to song, yeah? Because him accent all change tonight, so me don't know.
I go buy Lamborghini for you. I go buy a...
Well, that's it, people. Thank you so much for watching another Dirty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And also leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part of the video. As well as share the video with your friends, your family, anywhere by your IG, by your Instagram. Oh, let me say the same thing. On your YouTube, on your Facebook, on your Twitter. Just share the video and also subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you want to follow me on social media, it is at Dirty Berry Show on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. If you want to, you know, book me or, promo on the social media countdown, send me an email to dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. The information is going to be in the description. And yeah, simple as that. Take care to burritos, my love, and big up for watching week after week, all of the support. Someone did it from day one, and I cannot say enough how much my love. Oh no, big up the girl that me watch, and big up the brother them, the Jenna them, the people that see me out the road and just give it a little gangster ale. I appreciate that too. And big up the girl that see me and just stop me and tell me how them watch it, and yeah, all of them got excitement there. So much love, and yeah, go and pray for me as me pray for you too. Yeah, peace out.